Welcome to the Gel Analysis Density Profile tutorial for the Unscan Gel software. This tutorial will focus on using the gel density profile to analyze a gel image using the Unscan Gel software. In this tutorial video, we will skip directly to the density profile screen of the Unscan Gel software. General stepwise instruction on using the Unscan Gel software can be found in other videos on the Silk Scientific channel or at our website at silkscientific.com. After the setup and initial analysis of the lanes in the gel image, a density profile for each lane will be displayed. When each density profile is displayed, each peak will represent a band in that lane. The Unscan Gel software will attempt to automatically identify the peaks and baselines which are associated with each band. However, the software may miss peaks that should be included or add extra unwanted peaks. Peaks and baselines can be added or deleted manually using the buttons located at the bottom of the density profile. Here we can see what is probably a doublet that was not recognized by the software. However, we can simply add it by clicking the Add Peak button. In addition, the endpoints of each of the peak baselines should be located at the local minima at the edges of each peak. You can use your mouse to adjust the positions of any of the baselines. As the baseline locations are adjusted, the band segment boxes for that lane will also be adjusted in the window at the right side of the screen. Other options and features available in the Density Profile screen are described by accessing the main Help menu for the Density Profile screen as shown. After all the peaks and baselines have been assigned, click the Quantify Peaks button. The area above baseline background will be displayed and stored for each peak in that lane. To make any adjustments, click the Undo button to go to the previous screen. Click the Continue button to continue to the density profile for the next lane and follow the same procedure to define the peaks and baselines for each lane. After all the density profiles have been analyzed, the results screen will be displayed. Clicking the column headings will display a description of the data in that column. The digital data can then be saved to a data file or copied to the clipboard and pasted into Excel or any other spreadsheet or data analysis program. Thank you for watching our Unscan Gel Analysis Density Profile tutorial. Additional video tutorials are available on our Silk Scientific channel. For more information regarding the Unscan Gel software, please visit the website shown here or contact us directly if you need additional information.